In this experiment, we will learn how different sounds are formed with changing water levels. Now place all the bottles on the shelf. All the bottles have different water level. Take the spoon and tap on every bottle. In this experiment, we learned that sound waves travel through water, and more water means slower vibrations in a deeper tone. In this experiment, we gonna learn how the water from the plate goes in the glass. Place the plate on the shelf. Pour the water from the glass in the plate. Place the candle on the plate. With the help of lighter, ignite the candle. Now cover the candle with the glass. What did you observe? This is because gas exerts pressure from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. In this experiment, we will learn Bernoulli's principle for ball. Place the hair dryer on the shelf. Switch it on. Now take a ball and try and place over the hair dryer. What did you observe? Here we learn that the fast-moving air around the sides of the ball is at a lower pressure than the surrounding stationary air, and the higher pressure air of hair dryer will push it back in. So the ball will float in the flow no matter how you move the hair dryer. In this experiment, we will learn to put a boiled egg in a narrow bottle. Place the bottle with the net. Place the pair of tongs. Hold the piece of thread with the tongs. With the help of lighter, ignite the thread. Place one boiled egg on the bottle. Leave it for some time. What did you observe? This is because the heat is used to change air pressure inside the bottle, causing egg to get into the bottle. In this experiment, we will learn to bend a bone. Take a jar and place on on the shelf. Pour some vinegar in the jar. Place the bone inside the vinegar. Leave it for a week. What did you observe after the week? Place a piece of fabric on the shelf. Now try and bend the bone. What did you observe? This happens because vinegar is mild acid. Soaking the bone in vinegar absorbs the calcium, which makes it soft and bendable. In this experiment, we will learn about the refraction of light. Take 2 empty glasses and place on the shelf. Place 1 pencil in each of the glass. Pour some water in the first glass. What did you see? This happens because of refraction of light. Refraction occurs due to the light moving more slowly through water than air. When the light enters the water, it gets bent. Hence, the pencil looks bent in the glass of water. In this experiment, we will make fire extinguisher using baking soda and vinegar. Take a candle on the shelf. Take another candle. With the help of lighter, ignite the candles. Take a jug. Put some baking soda in the jug. Add some vinegar to the baking soda. Now take the jug near the candles. What did you see? When baking soda and vinegar are combined, carbon dioxide gas is created. When you're exposing the flame to concentrated carbon dioxide gas, it blows off because of lack of oxygen. In this experiment, we will demonstrate that clay will float or sink in water. Place a glass bowl on the shelf. Pour some water in the bowl. Now take a clay lump and put it in the bowl. You will see that the clay lump sinks. Now with the help of tongs, remove the clay lump. Now put a clay boat in the bowl. What did you observe? You will see that the clay boat floats on water. This happens because of density. Density is the amount of matter that is packed into an area. When the clay is rolled into a ball, its matter is packed into a very small area, which makes it very dense. Its density is higher than the density of water, so it sinks. When you remold the clay into a boat shape, you are changing its density by spreading the matter out over a large area, so it floats on water. In this experiment, we will learn to pop balloons with the help of magnifying lens and laser lights. Place all the glasses with water on the shelf. Now place inflated balloon on every glass. Take a laser light. Now take a magnifying glass and place between. Switch on the laser light. What did you observe? By this experiment, we learned that magnifying lens and laser light can pop the balloons. In this experiment, we will make an egg grow and shrink. Place 2 glasses on the shelf. Take an egg and place it in the. Take another egg and put in another. Pour some vinegar in both the glasses. Take an empty. Now with the help of pair of tongs, remove the egg in the plate. Remove the second egg. Place 2 glasses on the shelf. Pour some Caro syrup in the first glass. Pour some water in the second glass. Now place the eggs in each of the glasses. Leave it for some time. Take an egg with the help of. What did you observe? This is because the sugar molecules of the syrup pass through the egg membrane, and water movement from egg to syrup results in the shrinking of the egg. In this experiment, we will learn how water travels through paper towels. Place the glass with water. Place the second glass with water on. Place an empty glass between both the glasses. Add green color to one glass. add red color to the second glass. Place a paper towel between the first glass. Place another. Leave it for some time. What did you observe? This is because the air pockets of the paper towel soak the water. In this experiment, we will learn how a rainbow can be formed through a glass bowl. Take a stand with paper placed on it. Take an empty glass bowl. Put a small mirror in the bowl. Pour some water in the bowl. Take a torch. Place the black paper with the hole on the torch. Fix it with the sellotape. Now throw light on the mirror. What did you observe? In this experiment, we learned that light refracts as it passes through water and the rainbow is formed in your glass bowl. Christmas science activity.